So we're gonna start with our storm door frame. And this is what comes in the package right here. So I keep my plates and I keep my bars in angle, and this stuff I'll just set off for a later time. So I got my 20 nuts and bolts that I set aside. So I'm just gonna throw those in my pocket, open up the rest of the door package. These plates will be on the bottom of the door frame, and these plates are gonna be for your header. So I'm gonna start with the header. So I get my angle, kind of set it up nice where the holes are exposed. Slide the plate on. Everything is finger tight right now. And then I just thread some through each hole here. Now I'm gonna repeat on this side, except I'm not gonna quite thread this hole quite yet. I'm gonna lift it up like that. Then you're gonna take your door bar header, thread that through to the next side. Just sort of center it, then put that bolt in. Like I say, everything's fairly loose right now, and that's the way we want it until we get it actually in. So our next step will be over on the foundation. And just repeat the other side. Again, these plates, everything is fairly loose right now. I don't want it to make it too tight. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my door bars, and we're just gonna line up these bolts, get them in. Now what I like to do is tighten this one up now. As well as this. But still leave these bolts fairly loose. Now I'm gonna grab my header and do the same thing. Now that everything is in, this is when we want to tighten it up. No gaps on your corners, no gaps on your header plate. Tighten this up on my bottom plates. And I know it's not plumb yet, but we can do that once we start getting the frame up. I just want to check my width on my door, and we're right on the mark.